Hello and welcome. You're watching ET Markets. I'm Tanya Aneja. Well, it was a strong week for Dalal Street, and the biggest positive for the bulls now is the complete reversal of FII action. They are showing early signs of taking a U-turn. They have been net buyers on all 4 days this week by buying stocks worth over 4,700 crore rupees. So the question now is, will the bull run continue? Is the worst behind us? To discuss this and much more, I'm going to be joined by a very special guest today. We have with us Mr. Osho Krishan, Senior Analyst at One Ltd, who will share the technical outlook on the markets and the stocks he's betting on at this point in time. Thank you so much, Osho, for joining us on ET Markets.
Yeah, good morning, Tanya. Well, as you have mentioned that on technical perspective, we have seen a very tremendous week this entire week. So no doubt that we have seen a very good week. Approximately Nifty has gained near to 3.5% in the entire week. A major possibility behind the rally is the respite from the FII selling. So FII have stopped their sell-off in the cash segment and they have started building up long positions. So that's the major positive sign for the market participants. And the major contributor this week has been the Bank Nifty and IT indices. Both the indices have gained near to 5 and 6%, which is again a very positive sign for the market participants. But looking at the overall global market reactions, that the global market were also on a very strong support for our market participants. So all these factors have put a lot of effort for our market to inch every day, close in a greener space. So as of now, we have to look for the overall technical perspective, because it is the time where we should not be very much complacent, because as of now, the 5 or 6 days, if today the market will be closing in green, then it will be 6 consecutive days that we will be having a very straight positive closure. So it is the time that we should not be very much complacent and we should be adaptive to some profit booking in the coming sessions. On technical perspective, Nifty is having a very strong resistance at 16,800 level, which was the last swing high. So 16,800 is the first halt mark for Nifty, while on the downside, the unfilled gap of 16,490 to 16,360 levels should provide a strong support for the bulls in the market. So as of now, we are having the undertone to be on the bullish side, but it's the market where we have to utilize the dips by buying opportunity. And on the higher aspect, we have to better to have a sell-off or kind of book our profit for the time being.
Okay, that's the word coming in. And what about the stocks that are looking attractive at this point in time? I mean, your 5 technical picks that you are betting on?
Top technical picks that I have negated in the past 2 days. The first one is UPL. UPL has gained traction from past 2 days and it has seen a breakout from the levels of 700 odd levels. So as of now, it is gaining towards 720. So this should be a strong accumulation zone for UPL. And on the downside, the stop loss should be maintained somewhere near to 700 support zone, near to 690 or 695. And on the higher instinct, we have a very positive trajectory. And looking at the positive trajectory, we feel like 770, 775 should be the immediate target for UPL. The next counter is Bata India. Bata India is forming a strong consolidation zone. And in today's session, we have seen a strong traction in this counter. So we are expecting that the momentum should continue. The buying range for Bata India is near to 1830 to 1840. And on the higher end, we are expecting 1900 to 1920 for the near-term target. And on the downside, the strong support is placed around 1780. The third counter is ICICI Prudentials. ICICI Prudentials is having a very strong pattern on technical chart. Flag and pennant pattern has been seen in ICICI Prudentials. So we are expecting that the momentum in this counter should continue in coming 1 to 2 trading sessions. The upside target for this counter is 545 to 550. And on the downside, we are expecting a stop loss or we are expecting a strong support near 505 levels. The fourth counter is DMart. It is a low beta counter, but it has seen a strong move in past 3 weeks. And from past 2 weeks, it has seen a strong consolidation zone and it has given a breakout over it and has retested the same. So technically, this is a very strong counter, and at these levels, we should accumulate DMAT for the upside target of 4200 to 4240 levels, and on the downside, we are having a strong support at 3880 levels. So that should be kept as the stop loss. The last counter is Tata Motor DVR. Tata Motor DVR has also seen a strong move in past 1 week, and currently it is having a kind of a correction or kind of a profit booking phase. So as of now, it is somewhere trading at the breakout zone. So this could be a very good levels to accumulate this counter near to 220, 224 levels. And on the higher side, we are expecting a target of 234 to 236 in very short term period. And on the downside, we are having a strong support near to 214 levels, which was the initial sign where we have started, where the stock has started witnessing some strong traction.
Okay, all right. So UPL, Bata India, ICICI Prudential, DMart, and Tata Motors DBR. These are the stock picks that are coming in from Osho. On that note, thank you so much for sharing the technical outlook and the picks as well. Thank you so very much.
Okay. Thank you so much, Tanya.